Hey guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cover the 3 most important personal finance numbers that can set you on the path to millionaire status. If you don't control them, you might miss out on opportunities to build real wealth. This is Personal Finance 101 here. My goal is to make this video super informative and easy to understand. Imagine being able to retire early, travel the world, or just enjoy financial peace of mind. It all starts with knowing these 3 things. So stick with me and watch this video all the way through because I think you'll find some real value in it. So why are these things so important? Because without them, you're like a ship without a compass. You might still be moving forward, but you have no idea if you're heading in the right direction. And that can cost you years of hard work and savings. So let's go over what these 3 items are and how they can change the course of your financial life. But before we do that, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you want to grow your wealth. It will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. So let's get started. There's really only 3 things that you can do with money, and the first is to spend it. If you learn how to control this, then the other 2 things should fall into place quite nicely. It's easy to get caught up in buying things that we don't need, with the money that we don't have, to impress the people that we don't even know. That's why budgeting is so crucial. Start by tracking your expenses for a month to see where your money is going. This should help you identify areas where you can cut back your spending. The average monthly expenses for American households totaled $6,081 according to the most recent Consumer Expenditure Survey from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. Housing is the largest average cost at $2,025 per month, making up 33% of typical spending. Transportation costs account for $1,025 per month, largely due to the intermittent nature of these expenses, but also include maintenance and repairs, fuel, insurance, along with payments, whether that's from a purchase or a lease. Americans spend an average of $779 on food per month, with almost 2/3 being spent on groceries at $475 and the rest on eating out at $303. According to the USDA, between groceries and restaurants, Americans are spending more of their income on food than they have in the past 30 years. That data shows that U.S. consumers spent more than 11% of their disposable income on eating, whether that's at home or in a restaurant, in 2022, the highest percentage since 1991. By the end of 2023, though, consumers were paying nearly 20% more for the same basket of groceries as they were in 2021. The reason I gave you these statistics is so that you can understand the importance of tracking your spending. Are you spending more or less than these average numbers? I also have several videos on budgeting that I'll link in the description or in the comments that I encourage you to watch. Next is saving. Think of saving as the foundation of your financial house. Without a strong foundation, everything else can crumble. Aim to save at least 15% of your income. Now this might seem challenging, but it's all about making small, consistent efforts. Make it a goal to raise the amount you're saving 1% a year till you hit that 15% goal. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis, the personal savings rate in the U.S. was just 3.2% as of March 2024. This refers to the average percentage of income Americans set aside for their savings. Some things you can do to strengthen your financial foundation is to set up an emergency fund with 3 to 12 months worth of living expenses. If 12 months seems overwhelming, start with a smaller target like 3 months and build up from there. This fund is your safety net for unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs. Automate your savings so that a portion of your paycheck goes directly into a savings account, out of sight, out of mind, and into savings. Additionally, savings allows you to plan for future expenses, such as buying a home, funding education, or taking a family vacation, without accumulating debt. Building a habit of saving also instills financial discipline and promotes long-term financial stability. When deciding where to put your savings, consider options that offer safety and liquidity. A high-yield savings account is a good choice because it provides a higher interest rate than a regular savings account while keeping your money easily accessible. Money market accounts and certificates of deposits, also known as CDs, are other options that can offer better returns, though CDs require you to lock in your money for a set period. Building a habit of saving also instills financial discipline and promotes long-term financial stability. Once your emergency fund is full, begin by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and lower your risk compared to individual stocks. If your employer offers a 401k with matching contributions, make sure to take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. You can also consider a Roth IRA, which is a retirement savings account that allows you to contribute after-tax income, meaning the money that you deposit has already been taxed. One of the main advantages of a Roth IRA is that your contributions grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free, providing you meet certain conditions such as being at least 59 and a half years old and having the account for at least 5 years. Investing is important because it helps your money to grow over time, allowing you to build wealth and reach your financial goals. Unlike saving, which involves keeping money in low-risk accounts with small returns, investing means buying assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that can increase in value over time. This growth is due to compounding, where you earn returns on both your initial investment and the earnings it generates. Investing helps you stay ahead of inflation, which reduces the value of money over time, ensuring you have more financial security in the future. When deciding what to invest in, it's good to have a mix of different types of investments to spread out your risk. Stocks can grow a lot but can also be risky. Bonds are more stable but usually offer lower returns. Real estate can provide both income and increase in value. Mutual funds and ETFs are great because they include a variety of investments helping you to diversify. Consider your risk tolerance and how long you plan to invest. For example, if you're young and saving for retirement, you might invest more in stocks. If you're closer to retirement, you might invest more in bonds to keep your money safe. Being disciplined in investing is very important for long-term success. This means following a clear investment plan and not making hasty decisions based on short-term market changes. Regularly adding money to your investments, no matter how the market is doing, is key. You can do this by setting up automatic contributions to retirement accounts or investment accounts. Discipline also means checking your investments occasionally to make sure that they still match your goals and risk level, but not reacting to every market dip or rise. Staying informed about your investments also helps you stay disciplined. Knowing about market trends and the basics of your investments can help you make better decisions and avoid panic during downturns. Patience is crucial too. Investing often takes years or even decades to pay off fully. By sticking to your investment plan and staying disciplined, you can steadily build wealth and achieve your financial goals. By controlling your spending and being able to save and invest your money is when you will notice a sizable difference in your finances. Over time, that will lead to some real wealth. When that time comes is when the real fun starts. Some of the most fun you can ever have with money is being able to bless others and give to those in need. Giving not only supports others, but also brings a sense of joy and purpose to your life. When you're able to donate to causes that you care about or help someone in your community, you can make a positive impact that can improve their lives significantly. These acts of kindness can range from small gestures like buying a meal for someone who's hungry, to larger contributions like donating to a church or to a charity, or funding educational programs. The sense of connection and community that comes from giving can really enhance your own well-being and create a cycle of positivity and goodwill. Generosity also sets a powerful example for others by fostering a culture of kindness and support. When you give, you inspire those around you, family, friends, and even strangers, to consider how they might also make a difference. Strengthening your finances involves creating a solid savings foundation and adopting disciplined financial habits. To start, set both immediate and long-term savings goals. Begin by saving a small percentage of your income, even if it's just 1% more than you currently are, with the aim of eventually saving at least 15% of your income over time. Be sure to establish an emergency fund to cover 3 to 12 months worth of living expenses, depending on your personal circumstances, such as job security and family needs. Automate your savings by setting up direct deposit from your paycheck into a separate savings account, and if direct deposit isn't an option, schedule regular transfers from your checking to your savings account. Create a budget to track your spending and understand where your money is going. Identify non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated, and redirect these savings to your emergency fund or long-term savings. Consider boosting your income through part-time work, freelance opportunities, or by investing in education or training to increase your earning potential. Review your progress monthly to ensure you're on track with your savings goals and adjust as needed. Allocate a portion of any raises or bonuses to your savings. Educate yourself on personal finance by taking courses, reading books, or attending workshops to improve your financial knowledge and decision making. Begin saving now with whatever amount you can manage. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated, and remain flexible to adjust your savings plan as your life circumstances change. By making consistent efforts and following these steps, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve greater financial security. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.